students. In today's class, we are going to do a demonstration on the laws of reflection of light from the light lesson. Okay. So, what do you mean by light? Light is a form of energy which helps us to see an object. So, what is the property of light? It travels in a straight line. Straight line. So, what do you mean by reflection of light? The bouncing back of light ray when it strikes on the shining surface or reflecting surface is known as reflection of light. Whenever the light ray fall on an object, that light rays will reflect back and we will be able to see that object. So there are two main rules for the reflection of light. Okay, we call that as laws of reflection of light. When we place source of light in front of the reflecting surface, the light rays coming from the source of light are considered as incident ray. Okay, and when it falls on the reflecting surface and get reflected from it, it is called reflected ray. And when we draw a normal line, normal means it is a perpendicular line. Okay, where these two lines means incident ray and reflected ray are coincide, where there we draw a line that is called normal. Okay, when we measure it, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. See here, this is the angle of incidence which is falling on the mirror and it is a reflected ray. Okay, now we will measure this by using protractor. Okay, we have placed it here and this is the reflected ray. Okay, from reflected ray to the normal, what is the angle here? Here it is 20 degrees. Okay, and when we place this on incident ray, this is the incidence ray. From incident ray to the normal, what is the angle here? 20 degree. So angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the first law of light. Okay, and second law of light states that incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in a same plane. Okay, see here, this is one second law of reflection of light. Understood everyone?